Making good intellectual friends involves building connections with people who share your curiosity and drive for knowledge. Here are some ways to make those connections more easily. 1. Join intellectual communities. Online platforms. Engage in forums, social media groups, or platforms like Reddit, Quora, and LinkedIn. Focus on groups that discuss topics you're passionate about. In-person events. Attend conferences, lectures, book clubs, or local events focused on specific intellectual topics. 2. Engage in thought-provoking conversations. Don't shy away from conversations about ideas, books, science, philosophy, or current events. Start with open-ended questions to encourage deep discussions. Be an active listener and show genuine curiosity about others' viewpoints and ideas. 3. Take classes or join study groups. Universities, libraries, and online platforms offer courses and workshops. These are ideal for meeting people who are also interested in expanding their minds. 4. Share interesting content and ideas. Curate and share thought-provoking content on your social media or blog. People with similar interests will notice, and it can lead to more meaningful interactions. 5. Attend meetups or societies. Check out meetup groups focused on intellectual hobbies like philosophy, technology, psychology, or science. These groups attract people who enjoy intellectual pursuits. 6. Challenge your thinking. Seek friends who have differing perspectives and embrace intellectual diversity. Ask thoughtful questions, seek common ground, and learn from their viewpoints. 7. Network through your current friends. Mention your intellectual interests to friends you already have. They may introduce you to someone who shares similar interests. Good intellectual friendships develop with time, so be open, curious, and willing to invest in these connections. Please subscribe